Imagine you're holding the world's most impressive phone in your hands. What would it look like? Where would you take it?
Wow! 5th generation foldables! What's new? Oh, okay. Galaxy Z Flip 5?
Welcome to the ultimate comparison between the OnePlus Open and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. In the world of smartphones, these two are heavyweights, each representing the pinnacle of innovation from OnePlus and Samsung. This comparison is crucial, especially if you're on the fence about which of these technological marvels to invest in. It's not just about choosing a smartphone, it's about choosing a companion for your digital life. So, without further ado, it's time to delve deeper into the features of both phones to help you make an informed decision. First, let's dive into the display and design of both smartphones. The OnePlus Open offers a fluid AMOLED display with a QHD+ resolution, providing razor-sharp images and vibrant colors. Its screen size is a generous 6.78 inches, perfect for multimedia consumption. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It boasts a QHD+ resolution on its massive 7.6-inch main screen. The Fold's unique selling point? Its ability to fold into a compact device while still offering a large display when unfolded. Now let's talk design. OnePlus Open uses a combination of metal and glass, giving it a premium feel. Its button and camera placements are intuitive and user-friendly. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 meanwhile uses an aluminum frame with Gorilla Glass Victus. Its design stands out with a book-like foldable form, offering a futuristic vibe. While both phones boast impressive displays and designs, your preference might lean towards the OnePlus Open's sleeker design or the Galaxy Z Fold 5's unique form factor. Now let's shift our focus to the performance and battery life of these devices. When it comes to processing power, both the OnePlus Open and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 are no slouches. They both boast state-of-the-art chipsets, ample RAM, and a variety of storage options, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. Yet there may be subtle differences in their day-to-day performance influenced by factors like software optimization and thermal management. Now, on to the battery department. Both devices are equipped with hefty batteries to support their powerful hardware and large displays. They promise all-day battery life, with the exact duration depending on your usage patterns. Plus, both phones offer fast-charging features, which means you can top up your battery quickly when you're in a rush. In a nutshell, both these devices pack a punch in terms of performance and battery life. Whether you're after the most powerful device or the one with the longest battery life, both the OnePlus Open and Galaxy Z Fold 5 have their strengths. Let's now look at the camera setup and additional features of both phones. Starting with the OnePlus Open, it sports a triple rear camera setup. With a 48-megapixel primary lens, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor, it's designed to capture stunning photos in all conditions. The front camera, a 16-megapixel shooter, delivers crisp selfies and supports face unlock. Video recording quality is top-notch, offering up to 4K resolution. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with a slightly more complex camera system. It features a rear quad camera setup with two 12-megapixel lenses, one 16-megapixel lens, and a time-of-flight 3D sensor. It also has a 10-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. Both front and rear cameras support 4K video recording. But cameras aren't the only thing these phones have to offer. Both come with water and dust resistance, confirming their durability. The OnePlus Open features an under-display fingerprint sensor, while the Galaxy Z Fold 5 opts for a side-mounted one. On the software side, the OnePlus Open comes with Oxygen OS, known for its clean interface and nifty features like Zen Mode. The Galaxy Z Fold 5, meanwhile, offers a unique foldable experience with its Flex Mode, which allows the phone to be used in various configurations. Both the OnePlus Open and Galaxy Z Fold 5 boast impressive camera systems and additional features, making them both excellent choices for photography enthusiasts and tech-savvy users alike. Now that we've examined the OnePlus Open and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in detail, it's time to wrap up our comparison. Both devices soar high when it comes to display and design. They offer stunning visuals and ergonomic designs, although they do have their unique attributes. As for performance and battery life, both phones pack a punch. They're equipped with robust processors and batteries that can keep up with your day. The camera and additional features on each phone are also impressive, with each taking a slightly different approach to photography and user experience. When it comes to price, The OnePlus Open is a bit more wallet-friendly than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. But remember, value is subjective. What one person might find valuable, another might not. Remember, the best phone for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you choose the OnePlus Open or the Galaxy Z Fold 5, you'll be getting a top-tier smartphone that offers a wealth of features and excellent performance.